If you own one of the old bread bins from Commodore, this nice piece of hardware is the new Holy Grail. The kit, which is maintained by some clever developers from the forum 64, is available very cheap at Wic64.de and exceptionally finds its place at the user port, so that other modules can stay where they are. To show you briefly, I first quickly load the launcher. The world of the internet is then completely available on the C64 and with unbelievable loading speeds. In the main menu you will find online games, a chat area that brings back memories of the IRC, a huge file area, and the internet. The RSS viewer. Let's have a look at the current news of the first German TV channel. And of course, you can add your own feeds. The system is completely open. There's also a Telnet client. You can visit text-based mods or reawaken the old mailbox feelings. It's up to you. There is so much to explore. Every time I switch on my 64, something new was implemented in the Wic64 project. Very exciting and new to me is the new multiplayer game lobby, where two users can arrange to play together. LAN party feeling on the 64 over the internet, you could say. It's incredible, isn't it? Or you can try to beat other players at the public scoreboards. The score of the modified games is stored in the net, and incredible competition is calling. I still need a decent joystick. Should I buy an arcader stick? Don't know. Any ideas? As you can see, there are tons of new modified games with public scoreboards. Unbelievable. We will never play alone anymore. So let's have a look at this new chat feature. Oh. Just nobody there. You shouldn't look in there in the afternoon, rather in the evening. Also nice to explore is the huge file area that shows a lot of material for download. The loading times are enormous and beat even the old SpeedDOS or TurboTrans transfers. And if you need a break, switch on the Wic64 radio. Oh, and if you miss something, you can join the open source project, open up your own servers, or whatever. It's a dream of a hardware extension. A big thanks to the developers. I have to mention a good friend told me a few months ago that the Wic64 has rekindled his love for the Commodore 64, and it has done the same to me. Thanks for watching. Hope you get one too.